Two of the greatest footballers of all time, Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi, have not only dominated the pitch, but also amassed incredible wealth. But who is more rich? Let's dive into the numbers and find out. So watch the complete video to know more about them. And also subscribe to Fantastic Facts for more useful tips. Both Ronaldo and Messi have built impressive fortunes through their football careers, endorsements, and business ventures. As of 2023, Lionel Messi's net worth is estimated to be around $600 million, while Cristiano Ronaldo's net worth is approximately $500 million. Ronaldo's wealth is significantly boosted by his endorsement deals, like Nike, Herbalife, and Clear Shampoo. Also, he has 1 billion followers on Instagram, making him one of the highest paid influencers. On the other hand, Messi has lucrative deals with Adidas, Pepsi, Budweiser. His business ventures, including the Messi store and various real estate investments, also contribute to his impressive net worth. When it comes to their football salaries, Messi reportedly earns around $65 million per year from Paris Saint-Germain, while Ronaldo's annual salary from Al Nassr is about $52 million. Both players have a passion: luxury cars. Messi's car collection is valued at around $28 million, featuring rare and exotic models. Ronaldo's collection, though slightly less valuable at $19 million, includes some of the most sought-after cars in the world. Beyond their wealth, both Ronaldo and Messi, for their philanthropy, Ronaldo has donated millions to various causes, including children's hospitals and disaster relief efforts. Messi, through his Leo Messi Foundation, has funded numerous projects aimed at improving healthcare and education for children. Both he and Ronaldo have used their wealth to make a positive impact on the world. Their legacies extend far beyond football, inspiring millions with their generosity and dedication. If you enjoy the video, hit like, share, and subscribe to Fantastic Facts for more.